Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an organic balloon unicorn garland for a magical unicorn celebration. Here we go. Do you believe in magic? La 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 la. I do. All right. Today I have a beautiful and magical unicorn balloon garland, or a balloon arch, or a balloon backdrop. However you want to call it, it's going to be amazing. So let's get started with the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by blowing up my 5-inch balloons, and I have them here in 4 colors. These are my unicorn colors, which are teal, a lavender, a pink, and a white. So I'm going to blow them up and then I'm going to pair them together. And then I'm going to do the very same thing with my 12-inch balloons. Now I'm going to move on to make my unicorn's lashes. I am using self-adhesive glitter foam. And what I'm going to do is turn it over. And you're going to need a pencil. And I am going to use the widest round object I have. And this is dirty. And I am going to place it right on top of my glitter foam. And I'm going to center it. Then I'm going to trace this area right here. And then I'm going to push it up. And then I'm going to trace it right about there. And then I'm going to have to make the actual eyelashes. So I'm just going to make straight lines that I'm going to cut and then attach to each eyelid. And I'm going to be making my lashes about 1/2 inch wide and about 2 inches long. And I'm going to be making about 6 of them. And it should look something like this. Next, I'm going to move on to my unicorn ears, and I'm going to freehand the ears, so wish me luck. And I'm going to use the corners of my poster board to guide me. So this is going to be the pointy area of the ears, and I'm just going to pretty much just bring it in. Gold glitter foam. This is also self-adhesive that I'm going to place right here in the middle in pretty much the very same shape, just a little smaller. To make my unicorn's horn, I'm going to be using transparent balloons. I'm going to be using 1 in 5-inch, 2 in 9-inch, and 1 in 12-inch. And I'm going to be adding, well, I already added the gold confetti inside of them, and I use a funnel to accomplish that, okay? So now what I'm going to do is, let me move this out of the way. Now you're just going to go ahead and cut off the end of it. All right, not too close because it might come undone. And then you're going to grab your low temperature gun and you're going to glue them together. I'm going to start with a 12-inch, then my two 9-inch, and at the end I'm going to glue on the 5-inch. And here is my unicorn horn, totally different, which is what I was going for, because this backdrop has been done millions of times and I wanted to add my own spin on it, and I think I totally accomplished it. Love it. I'm going to start tying my balloons with transparent cord. You can also use fishing line if that's what you have handy. I got this one from Michael's. I'm going to tie the end to the knot here so it can help me keep it steady. And I'm going to start placing my 5-inch balloons first, and it's going to be very easy. All you have to do is wrap the cord around once or twice. Okay, then you're gonna grab the next one and stack it right next to it. So you place it right on top, and then you go around once or twice on a balloon. Then you grab the next one, stack it right on top, and wrap it around again once or twice. So I have about 7 pairs on here right now, and now I'm going to start adding my 12-inch pairs. Okay, so the balloons don't fit in the camera view anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and make this off camera, and I will be right back. Next, I'm going to add slightly smaller balloons that will be pretty much in between the 12-inch and 5-inch balloons. These are actually 12-inch balloons that I just blew up slightly smaller, and this is going to help with the size difference, as you can see, so it's going to blend a little better. So here is my balloon garland all ready to go. Now all I have to do is hang it up, and right on top I have 2 clear thumbtacks, one here and one there. And what I'm going to do is use my transparent cord, tie it to the balloons, and then tie it to the top to the thumbtack, and it should look something like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 5-inch balloons randomly all down the garland. Now I'm going to add my balloon horn, and all I have to do is add a little glue to the bottom of my 12-inch balloon. Next are my unicorn ears, and as you can see, I already pulled off the back of my glitter foam and placed it right on my poster board, which are the main ears. So now all I have left is to place it on the wall, and for that I use a double-sided strip. You can see that? There you go. So it's double-sided tape or foam strip, and now I'm just going to place it right on the wall. Next, I'm going to be placing my tissue flowers right around this area, and these are actually very affordable. I'm going to have the info for you in the description box below if you guys are interested. But if you still don't want to purchase these, you can always make pom-poms out of tissue paper from Dollar Tree, and they will look pretty cute as well, but these are really nice. All right, so let me place this on top. And lastly, all I have to do is place the eyelashes on the wall. All I have to do is pull the back off and center it on the wall. Okay guys, this is it. This is my organic balloons unicorn backdrop, or or my organic balloons unicorn arch. Whatever you want to call it nowadays, it is absolutely adorable. Very magical, as they say. This balloon backdrop is definitely very easy to make, from the balloon garland to the eyelashes and the ears. Very easy. And oh my gosh, guys, I am so glad that I decided to make the horns out of transparent balloons and gold confetti, because it gives it the extra pop that makes it look magical. And as far as the flowers, I'm gonna have all the info for you guys in the description box below, because they are very affordable compared to a lot of flowers I see out there. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so right here, right now. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of my unicorn balloon garland, and leave me a comment anyway, because you know I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that would love to have this theme at their birthday party, or their kid's birthday party, I should say. Well, maybe they might like it at their party. Make sure to share with them at the end of this video. All right, guys, until next time, bye.
Come on. I'll let you hit the balloon more after you give a smile. Go with Caroline, okay? Right
so
next
funny.
to Caroline. You're such a goofball.
Brady, come on.
Brady, come on. Scoot closer to Caroline.